Hello children, welcome to the class. So today also we'll continue with the topic reported speech. Today I'll explain you how to change the different types of sentences into indirect speech. So first, rules for changing assertive sentences into the indirect speech. Assertive sentences in the indirect speech are usually introduced by the conjunction that. Look here the example. They said to Anuj, "You are a brave boy." They told Anuj that he was a brave boy. Second, the verbs tell, inform, remind, and assure always take a personal object after them. Hence, the form said to is changed to told and sometimes reminded or informed as a sense may require. Look at the example. The teacher said to me has been changed to the teacher told me that I was a brave boy. Next, all the rules for the change of pronouns, tenses, and other time and place expressions are followed. Now come to the interrogative sentences. Rules for changing interrogative sentences into indirect speech. The reporting verb said is changed to asked, inquired, demanded, wanted to, and like etc. Whether or if is used after the reporting clause whenever the direct question admits yes or no answer. That is, for yes no type of question, we use the conjunctions whether or if. Next, the reporting questions the questions starting with question words like when, why, where, how, what, the WH questions do not use if or whether. The question words are retained to introduce the reported questions. The next rule, the interrogative sentence is changed into an assertive sentence. So, the question mark is replaced by a full stop and the subject is put before the verb. Examples. He said, "Can I do this work?" He asked if he could do that work. He said to me, "Why did she tell a lie?" He asked me why she had told a lie. Now, the imperative sentences. Rules for changing imperative sentences into indirect speech. When the direct speech is an imperative mode, the reporting verb say or tell is changed to some verb expressing command, advice, or request according to the sense. The reporting verb is followed by the object and to infinitive verb. Not plus to infinitive verb is used in a negative command or advice. If the sentence beginning with let, in the sentence beginning with let or the reporting verb is changed to proposed or suggested. So the reporting verb is changed to proposed or suggested in the sentence beginning with let. Examples: I said to Amit, "Do not pluck the flowers." So the negative sentence, I ordered Amit not to pluck the flowers. Sunil said, "Bring tea." Sunil ordered him to bring tea. He said, "Please help me." He requested us to help him. He said to me, "Let us have some coffee." He suggested that we should have some coffee. Now, the exclamatory sentences. Rules for changing exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. The first thing that you should remember, the exclamatory form is changed into a statement and the note of exclamation is replaced by a full stop. Then The exclamatory words what or how are changed into very or highly or greatly according to the sense. The reporting verb say or tell is changed into wish, bless, pray wherever necessary. The interjections and exclamations such as oh, hooray, alas, they are omitted and their sense is expressed by means of a phrase. We use the conjunction that after the reporting verb, and all rules for change of pronouns, tenses, etc. are followed. Now, the examples. He said, hooray, we have won the match. So, the word hooray has been omitted by a phrase, okay, by the phrase exclaimed with joy. So, that has been omitted and the sense is expressed by means of a phrase exclaimed with joy. He said, hooray, we have won the match. He exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Raj said, alas, I have been ruined. Raj exclaimed with sorrow that he had been ruined. She said, if I were a bird, she wished that she were a bird. This can also be written as she wished to be a bird. What a nice day it is, she said. She exclaimed that it was a very nice day. I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you.